In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in Hubspot. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, glance towards the upper right corner of the screen and locate the login button. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page where you can access your account. Now, to make things easier, we're going to sign in using Google. Simply click on Sign In with Google and select your account from the options provided. It's a quick and seamless way to get right into HubSpot without the hassle of remembering another password. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to the next step. Navigate your way to the marketing section of HubSpot. This is where you'll find all tools related to creating, managing, and optimizing your marketing efforts. From there, it's a short trip to the email section where the magic happens. Within the email dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner once more. Click the Create Email button to begin drafting your automated email. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a few options. What you're going to do here is click on Automated. This step is crucial because it ensures that the email you're crafting will be set up to work seamlessly within your workflows, automating processes and saving valuable time. Next, you'll want to choose a template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates, and selecting one that fits your objective will allow you to focus more on the content and less on the design. Feel free to browse through and pick one that resonates with your needs. With your template in place, it's time to review your email. You'll find the Review and Publish button in the top right corner. This feature is there to guarantee that everything is in order before your email goes live. As you review, pay special attention to required fields, notably the subject line. The subject line is crucial. It's the first thing your recipients will see, so make sure it's catchy and to the point. After a thorough review, and once you're satisfied with your email, the final step is to click Publish at the bottom of the page. This action finalizes your email, integrating it into your workflows. And that's it. Your automated email is ready to go. Remember, the beauty of automation is that once set, it works in the background, freeing you up to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your email marketing efforts in HubSpot.